We're now going to move on to some special methods that exist just for object columns. Really, these are string-only methods. This is a really cool part of Pandas and something you have to know in order to really manipulate strings. So the first thing is that you will not be able to access them through normal dot notation. So you can't just get your series name, press dot, and then tab, and then find them. You have to use this str accessor. So this is like a way to access these string-only methods. If you click on this link, it'll take you to this part of the documentation. So you'll see how it works. You take your series name, then do .str, and then dot, and then you have these string-only methods. So there are about 50 of them. There's quite a large number of them. They give you all these special abilities just for strings. Now, there's so many of them, we're not going to cover all of them. We're only going to cover a few of them just so that you get an idea of how they work. But it'll be up to you to kind of navigate through the rest. Let's go ahead and see how they work. So let's read in a string column title. And what we're going to do here is, if you press dot, you will not be able to find them. You have to press str dot and then tab, and this will reveal the string-only method. So you'll get a special, access. This is called the str accessor. So think of this as giving you special access to string-only methods. The first thing we're going to do is pretty simple. We're just going to lowercase all of these strings over here with the lower method. And we can chain the head method like that to keep it, just to keep it to 5 values. So if you notice this list of string-only methods, a lot of them overlap with the string methods from just a normal Python string. So they work pretty similarly, but not exactly the same. So that's what I wanted to show in this video. In the upcoming videos, we're going to go through a lot more of these methods. Here I wanted to show that you can access these string-only methods with str and then call your method name, and that will act on all of the strings in your series.